In a cozy little town called Kindness Corner, there lived a grumpy old bear named Mr. Grumbles.
Another noisy day. Can't a bear get some peace and quiet?
Every day, the other animals tried to cheer up Mr. Grumbles.
Good morning, Mr. Grumbles. Would you like to join our picnic?
No, thank you. I prefer to eat alone.
But one day, something special happened.
Mr. Grumbles, I picked this flower for you. It reminded me of your fuzzy ears.
For me?
And just like that, Mr. Grumbles remembered something he had long forgotten.
Look, Mama, I picked you a flower.
Oh, thank you, my little cub. What a kind heart you have.
Mr. Grumbles felt a warm, fuzzy feeling he hadn't felt in years.
Thank you, little one. That's very kind of you.
From that day on, Mr. Grumbles started to change.
Good morning, neighbors. Would anyone like some honey cakes?
Wow, Mr. Grumbles, these are delicious.
And they're shaped like flowers.
And so Mr. Grumbles learned an important lesson.
Being kind feels good. I think I'll do it more often.
Remember, little ones, be kind, it always comes back.